choir of angels came to say hello. If a star so bright and guided those below, surely you came for more than me. If wonder and awe spread about your birth, the story of heaven come to earth, then surely you came for more than me. Surely you came for more than me. You came for the broken, you came for the lost, you came to save the worst of us. You came for the helpless, the voiceless, the unloved, the ones nobody else would look upon. You paid the price, you took the form, you came for all. No greater love has ever gone before. All of generations stand in awe. The King of Kings came down, surrendering his crown for someone like me to be found. You came for the broken, you came for the lost, you came to save the worst of us. You came for the helpless, the voiceless, the unloved, the ones nobody else would look upon. You paid the price, you took the fall, you came for all. You came for all. You came for the broken, you came for the lost, you came to save the worst of us. You came for the helpless, the voiceless, the unloved, the ones nobody else would look upon. You paid the price, you took the fall, you came for all. You came for I thought by now I'd have it all figured out. A secret weapon to crush my doubt. But the world doesn't work like that. I had to learn to be heard in the gaps. It's hard to be seen when the world tells me to fake it, but I'm not defined by what you think of me. It's hard to stand tall when I feel small, and I know that I have to be brave, but courage will come when I start to run, and I'll find that all it takes is a little faith. Hey, yeah. so fast in a blinker. I've been given time, so I think that I should fake it. Why would I hide when I have so much to give? It's hard to stand tall when I feel small, and I know that I have to be brave, but courage will come when I start to run, and I'll find that all it takes is a little faith. A little faith, a little girl who chose to show the world. A little faith, a little girl who chose to show the world. A little faith. So I'll stand tall when I feel small, even though it's hard to be brave. And courage will come when I start to run, and I'll find that all it takes is a little faith. Faith, a little faith. A little faith. Thank you. This next song that I'm going to sing was actually inspired by all the healthcare workers that have worked so hard during lockdown, so this one's for them.